Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Murtaja sir here and ready with the Maths model question paper 2 of SSLC model question paper 2 2025-26. So let us begin today's video. In this video we will cover question number 1 MCQ of 8 questions and question number 2 very short answer questions. So first question is the degree of a cubic polynomial is dash. So cubic polynomial, so its degree is 3. Question number 2, the formula to find the midpoint of a class interval is dash. So the formula to find the class interval is option B, upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. Next question, question number 3. The lines representing the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 intersect each other, then the correct relation among the following is dash. So they are intersecting each other, so they have unique solution and answer is D. A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. The ratios are not equal for A1, A2 and B1, B2. Question number 4. In an arithmetic progression, if the third term is 13 and the second term is 8, then find the first term of the progression. So third term A3 equal to 13. So if we write the solution, then A plus 2D equal to 13. Now second term is 8, so second term means A2 equal to A plus D, and second term's value is 8, so 8 equal to A plus D. From this equation we will make the subject D, then D equal to 8 minus A. This value of D we will keep in this equation. We will substitute here. So A plus 2 into bracket D equal to 8 minus A equal to 13. So let us solve this equation. So A plus 2 8s are 16 minus 2A equal to 13. So minus A and 13 minus 16. So minus A equal to minus 3. So therefore A equal to 3, and our answer is option A 3. Next question, the probability of an impossible event is dash. So probability of impossible event is always 0. Next question, the correct relation among the following is dash. So here we can see that we have to identify this identity is incorrect. It is incorrect because 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So it is wrong. Sin theta and 1 upon sec theta, they are not a multiplicative inverse of each other. So it is wrong. Cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So it is also wrong. So last option if we will check, then this is the identity modification of identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If we modify this identity, then we are getting the answer D. Question number 7. ABC and DEF are similar triangles. So let us draw the triangle here. ABC triangle and DEF triangle DEF. So as per the given condition, AB upon DE means this side and DE means this side, and BC upon FD means this side and FD means this. So then the correct relation among the following is what? So here we can see, then look, Okay, between these two sides B is the interior, means included angle. Similarly, between two sides D is the included angle. So here B equal to D, so option C is the correct answer here. Next question, two cubes each having volume of 64 centimeter cube. If they are joined end to end to form a cuboid, the measure of the longest side of the cuboid is dash. So if we find their side by volume formula, then we will get their side 4 centimeter, because we know that volume formula is what? Side cube. So using this formula we can find the side as a 4 centimeter. Now we are joining them end to end. So 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter equal to answer is 8 centimeter. Next question. Next question is state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and their factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors occurs. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic and answer of question number 9. Question number 10, write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 if the value of discriminant is 0. So here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. It is clearly given. So we can write here real and equal roots exist. Equal roots exist. This is the answer. Question number 11. Write the coordinates of the point P which divides the line segment joining the points ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 internally in the ratio 1:1. The relation is what? Nuri's edge and the relation is what? Nuri's edge was thrice. So to compare them, we have to multiply Sonu's edge by 3. So x minus 5 equal to 3 into bracket y minus 5. And if we simplify this equation, then we will get a simplest form as x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Next question, write the formula to find the sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression with first term a and the last term l. So we know that the formula is a sum of nth terms for arithmetic progression. Now question number 15, write the condition for the similarity of two polygons having same number of sides. So first condition is what? So the conditions are, first condition, corresponding angles should be equal, and second condition, the ratio of corresponding sides should be also equal. So there are two conditions of that. Now last question of today's video is the area of the base of cylinder is 38.5 centimeter square and its height is 10 centimeter. Find its volume. So volume formula is what? Pi r square h. Here this is the value of pi r square, the base area. So in place of pi r square we have to keep value 38.5 directly because radius is not given. So using the scale we have to keep this value and height is given here 10. If we multiply them, then we will get 385 and unit is centimeter cube. So this is the answer of question number 16. So that's all in today's video. Wait for the next part. In this part we will go for the question number 2, short answer question of each 2 marks. So thank you.